Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to password protect your PDF file in this Windows 11. Right, so I have this my PDF file here. If I open the file, now you can see that it opens automatically with my PDF software that it is opening with. But in this our case, we want to password protect this file. So anytime that when we try opening the file, it should prompt us that to enter a password before we can view whatever message or document that is in relation to that file. Right, so now for us to password protect this our PDF file, it's very easy and simple. Just open your favorite browser and search for I love pdf.com. right, so this is the website, so just click on enter. This is the website, every tool you need to work with PDFs in one place. Right, so if you scroll down you can see other options which you can work with, but in our case we are coming to password protect our PDF file. So if you scroll down here, you can see here we have protect PDF, but if it is not here, you can just move to the top here and then you see all PDF tools. So you drop it down, you can see we have the protect PDF. Right, so just scroll down. For my end, once it's showing here, just click on this. Right, so now it says that protect PDF file and then encrypt your PDF with a password to keep sensitive data confidential. For me to protect that PDF file, now just select PDF file. Now my file is located at the desktop, so I select wherever your file is located, but my own is located at the desktop, so I select my desktop, and this is the file citation, so select it and then open. Right, so the file has been uploaded. Likewise, I can add more files which are in relation to this, or you can just maximize this and then drag and drop the file onto the website direct. Now once the file is uploaded, you can see we have here set the password to protect your PDF file. Now enter my password, so I enter my password here. And now you can click here to view the password that you have entered. Right, so the next one, repeat the same password here, and then right, so as I have inputted my password, now you just move down to this protect PDF, so click on that. Right, so once you just protect the PDF file, automatically the file is going to be downloaded. As you can see that my file has automatically been downloaded. But in your case, if the file that didn't download automatically, you can just click on this, click on download protected PDF. Or another way is that you can save it to your Google Drive or save it to your Dropbox, and then or send a link to someone for the person to view. So once I now protect the file, now I can delete it from the website. So you can see here we have delete it now. So click on it to delete. Right, so and you see as the website is saying file available time, so that is the time it will take before the website itself will delete the file from their website. But I want to delete the file now, so I just click on it, delete now. Right, so it has been deleted now, so the file is no more on their website. Now I can close this, and if I go to my downloads folder, I can have access to the file there. Right, so you can see we have the citation underscore protected, the file that's downloaded, so I can move it to my desktop here. Right, so close this download folder. So now let's have access to the file, open it. Right, so you can see that it says that enter a password. So if I enter my password, let's say I enter a wrong password, and let's view this, you can see this is a wrong password. This is not the password I entered. So open the file, you can see it says wrong password. So now let me enter the right password now, and which is, let's view it. You can see that's the right password. So click on open file, and you can see I can now have access to the file. So anytime that you try opening the file, it is password protected, so you have to enter the password in order for you to view whatever message that is on it. So assuming if you are sending it to someone, you have to just give the person the password that you use to lock the PDF file. So basically that is just how easy and simple it is to password protect your PDF files which are located in your PC in Windows 11. So if this video was helpful in any way, please kindly leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.